Customers oftentimes ask us about these. You can see this right here. This is a streak. These are scratches in the glass. This is a door here with Exshaw's reflection in it. This is a door here, and most doors, well, by law, all new doors need to be tempered glass in California here. I don't know about the rest of the country, but I know that in California, doors need to be tempered glass. Tempered glass, when the construction clean is done, sometimes people will use razor blades, and depending on how it's manufactured, that's where those scratches come from. So it's razor blades used on tempered glass. It's not necessarily the blade's fault. It's particles in the glass, usually due to something in the manufacturing process. But to be aware of, that's how we explain that to customers that may not realize it's there when we clean them, because we don't use razor blades. We clean them and then they go, wait, those weren't there before. Well, the window was dirty before, and they just noticed them now. But that's how we explain those are from razor blades during the construction cleaning process. When they're in long strokes like that, typically that's what causes it.